friends, welcome back. Today we'll see string tokenizer class. The string tokenizer class is there in the util package. So java.util.string tokenizer class allows you to break a string into tokens. The processing of text often consists of parsing a formatted input string. So what is meant by parsing? Parsing means division of text into set of discrete parts or tokens. Okay, for example, I say this is a day. Okay, so this is a token, is a token. So the space here is considered to be delimiter. So delimiters are characters that separate the tokens. So these delimiters we can set on our own, but the default delimiters consist of white space characters such as space, tab, new line and carriage written. String tokenizer class implements enumeration interface. The java.util.string tokenizer class allows us to break the strings into tokens. Okay, so it does that. There are three constructors inside the string tokenizer class. The first one is string tokenizer, which takes a string str as an argument, and the second is string tokenizer, string str and string delimiter. And the third one takes three arguments, string str, string delimiters and boolean delim as token. Okay, so in the first case, str means the string that will be tokenized. So whatever string you want to tokenize, you will be passing that in the first constructor. The second constructor, delimiter, is a string that specifies the delimiters. So whatever are your delimiters, you will be mentioning that in the second constructor. In the third case, you are having one extra parameter, which is boolean delim as token. If delim as token is set to true, okay, since it's a boolean value, it can take two values, either true or false. If it is set to true, then delimiters are also written as tokens when string is passed. Okay, so if it is false, then delimiters are not written. So for that, you will be using the third constructor. Now coming to the methods that are there inside the string tokenizer class. So the methods are int count tokens. So this count tokens will be used for using the current set of delimiters. The method determines the number of tokens left to be passed and returns the result. So it will be determining the number of tokens left to be passed and returns the result. Okay, next is boolean has more tokens. So this will return true or false. So returns true if one or more tokens remain in the string and returns false if there are none. Okay, so this will check whether more tokens are there or not. Okay, so if more tokens are there, it will return true, else it will return false. String next token returns the next token as a string. Okay, so it will, whatever string is there, from that it will be returning the tokens one by one. Next is boolean has more elements. This returns true if one or more tokens remain in the string and returns false if there are none. Now you may get confused like it is similar to has more tokens. Yes friends, it is very much similar to has more tokens. Has more tokens and has more elements both are same. But has more elements is from the enumeration interface. So since string tokenizer class is implementing enumeration interface, it has to implement has more elements. So this has more elements method will be applied for enumerations. Next is object next element. Next element is also similar to next token, but the return type is object. Whereas next token will be returning string, next element will be returning object. So returns the next token as an object. Okay, so this also is a method from the enumeration interface. Okay, so the next one is string next token, which is a string delimiters. So this returns the next token as a string and sets the delimiters string to that specified by the delimiters. So these are the methods friends that are there in the string tokenizer class.